In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Xero with Calxa, step by step. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or just starting out, linking these two platforms can streamline your financial processes, and today I'm going to make it as simple as possible for you. Let's dive right in. First, let's head over to the Xero dashboard. It's your command center for everything Xero, so it should feel familiar if you've been using Xero for a while. From here, our goal is to navigate to the Xero App Store. You'll find it as an option on your dashboard. Click on the Open Xero App Store. This is where all the magic happens, as it hosts numerous apps that can be integrated with Xero to enhance its capabilities. Once you are inside the App Store, use the search function to find what we need. Type in Calxa in the search bar. Calxa specializes in budgeting and forecasting, which makes it an ideal companion for Xero. With that entered, you should see it pop up in your results. We're getting closer now. In the list of apps, focus on the category labeled Accountant Tools, and then select Reporting and Forecasting. This is where Calxa will be listed. Click through to see more about what Calxa can offer. Once you're convinced this is the app for you, go ahead and click on Get This App. By choosing to get the app, you'll start the integration process. Keep in mind that you may need to log in if you haven't done so already. Xero will ask you if it's okay to share your data with Calxa. This is a standard security measure, so you can trust that your data will be handled securely. When you're ready, click on Allow Access. Expect to be directed to a new page where you'll need to click on Highlight. This part of the process is essential as it ensures that both Xero and Calxa can communicate perfectly with each other. Make sure every detail is correct before proceeding. Finally, with everything set, go ahead and click Continue. This effectively and securely links Xero with Calxa. You're now ready to leverage the strengths of both platforms, making your financial reporting and budgeting significantly more efficient. And that's it. You've successfully connected Xero with Calxa. By following these steps, you'll be able to enhance your financial management workflow. As always, if you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to explore the support resources available within each platform. Thanks for watching, and happy financial planning.